Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to remove Yahoo search engine from your Google Chrome web browser. So when I try to access my Google Chrome browser via my Windows 10 PC, my Google search engine is automatically changed to Yahoo, but I did not like this Yahoo. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends, because I show the steps to make your Google search engine to default one. So anyway, how to do that processes. So let's go to our tutorial, and this method almost works for all Windows platforms like Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. So first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser. So now in this homepage section, in top of right side, it shows on vertical 3 dots icon. So just select it. So here you can go to settings. So now my Chrome settings are ready to use. So now in the settings section, in left side it shows some settings category. So here you can click to access search engine, and it shows my current search engine as Yahoo. So due to this setting, when I try to access my Chrome browser, it always shows Yahoo search engine. So anyway, if you want to change it, just press this option and it shows some search engines. So you can choose your favorite one, but here I try to select Google. So once I change this setting and then I try to check it if my search engine is changed or not. So how to check it? So just open the new tab. So and then you can see now my Google search engine is ready to use. So this is the way you can easily switch your Google Chrome search engine from Yahoo to Google. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.